My name is Tom McDonald. I'm the Vice President of Construction Operations for Construction Engineers. Any renovation project has its unique challenges just by the nature of the work. But when you talk about some of these projects on a higher educational campus, a university, a college, these renovations are really a lot more intricate. They bring their own challenges. These buildings are the mainstay of that campus. They were original to the campus in a lot of cases, but they're the focal point of the university. There's a lot of just pride in that building, a lot of memories in that building, but it also represents not only the university, but that community, and it's one that everybody kind of rallies around. One of my site visits up at the Dakota College of Bottineau, when we're renovating Old Main, I was just getting ready to leave the site, and I looked over down the site fence, and there was an old gentleman standing there watching our day-to-day progress. So just out of the blue, before I got in my truck and got on the road, I figured I'm going to just go talk to this gentleman. And so I walked up and asked him what he thought of progress. That started a 40-minute journey for me, which was just fantastic. I got to hear stories about how the building was when he went to college there. But beyond that, I got to hear the stories of what the college has done and what the community has done to make sure that that building was going to be refurbished and not be demolished. In that, I really got to see how important this building was, not only to that individual, but to the college and to the community itself. A lot of this just really added confirmation to how we already felt about these projects. We knew this, but knowing that that's how others feel, just continue to make these projects special and gives us the energy to keep going forward and do wonderful things with these buildings.
My name is Chad Dustin, Senior Project Manager with Construction Engineers. The current phase of the project right now is kind of the structural upgrades. So it's repointing the stone foundation of the building, waterproofing the exterior of the stone foundation. Obviously, with quite a bit of significant demo that had to be phased correctly, as well as some interesting shoring configurations that we had to do. We ended up self-performing most of the demo and the shoring on the project just to accomplish that and the phasing that we needed. Older buildings, they may not meet specific ADA requirements or envelope requirements, per the current building code. So it's a lot of fixing up older buildings, renovating older buildings to make it up to the current standards.
This is Construction Engineers, and we are building for tomorrow.